So in this video, we're going to add a featured image to a sermon. So we'll go into test sermon 3, which is what we've been working on, and we'll come down all the way over here on the left-hand side. The right-hand side, I apologize. You're going to see down here at the very bottom, you're going to see set featured image. So we're going to click on that. Now, I could upload a file. I could click over here and upload a file and just go pick that file wherever. Or I could choose one that I already have here from the media library. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one because this is a nice square image, and that's what you want, 207 by 207. You want it to be a square image, actually, because it's going to show a thumbnail, and when WordPress shows thumbnails, it shows them in a square format. So if you don't have it in a square format, it could end up chopping off part of your image. So as you can see, I can uncheck and check whatever image I want. I could check more than I can only, as a featured image, you can only check one. If you're just inserting images into the body, you can select more than one image at the same time. But I'm using this as a featured image, so it's only going to allow me to select one because you can only have one featured image. Then I'm going to come down here and click Set as Featured Image. And you're going to see in a second, it's going to copy that featured image right into there. And then once that's done, I can just come up here and click Update. And you can do this as a step while you're creating a sermon. You don't have to do this afterwards. There's no reason you have to do this afterwards. I'm just showing you separately how to do this. But once you've done that, then we'll go ahead and come back over here to the Elohim Covenant Ministries site on the front. And now we'll see Test Sermon 3, just like Test Sermon here, has a featured image here. And if I click on that, in this system, it does kind of a little bit of a double featured image thing. It doesn't really look all that bad, but it does this. I don't quite know why. And so we're trying to figure that out. But it seems to be some type of something, there's a little bit of conflicting information between the Pinpoint framework and the Sermon Manager. But at this point in time, for some reason, we get a double image. But it just shows a little thumbnail down here and then a primary image there. You do not have to add a featured image to a sermon. It's absolutely not required. So if you want to remove the featured image, all you actually have to do is click Remove the Featured Image and then just update, and it will update that. So that is how you add a featured image to any sermon.